Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. And today it's the enhancer for YouTube ad-free. So let's get started now. Note that this is for PC only. Also, I did all the work for you, so simply go in the description down below. You select whichever browser is yours. For me will be this one here. I control and copy. Then I go to my browser like so, and I paste it in the description bar like so. Press enter, and there I am. As you can see, I have it here already, so that's why I cannot. Otherwise, you press get, and then you will go download the app. And once it's installed, simply press on here, and you have everything that you wish. I show you on my channel. If you don't know, I will put a description down below for you. Otherwise, you can type Tech like so. Press enter, and there I am. So this is my channel. I will load one video, select a small one, this one here. Let's bring down the volume. Okay, I will mute. Right, like this, you won't disturb everything. And here you can see you have all the selection customizations that you wish to apply. Right, you can select all of these. You can have the tooltip, the transparency, slide up down effect. I mean, the list is there for you guys to see. You can donate, support, translate, share, rate. There at the bottom you can see you have this to remove the ads. This here is to put in cinema mode. Sorry, it takes time. This is my setting. If you want, the screen can be completely blacked off. Okay, so when you go down, it will appear. If you cannot see it, just press here, and you do the setup inside there. Okay, this is to resize the player if you want to unpin the player. This is for browsing the volume. You have the loop the video, plus or minus for the speed. Okay, here is to reset the speed in the middle. Here is the filters you want to apply, and here is if you want to apply custom scripts. This one here is if you don't want to go all the way up, then you press this one and it will appear. That's what's about it, guys. I find it very useful. I hope you do too. That's it for this week. You can do your YouTube things, like, subscribe, press the bell button if you want to be notified when I post a new video. And if you do not like this video, just leave a comment and tell me why. I will appreciate that very much. That's it for this week. Bye now, guys, and stay safe.